everyone, Daniel Kaiser here at E3 2018 inside the Bandai Namco booth with Denny to talk about Code Vein, a super awesome project that people are all buzzed about here at E3. Tell us all about it, Denny.
So, I think everybody knows within the house of Bandai Namco we've got Dark Souls. And within that house also we've got a lot of anime titles. Now, within our dev teams, we were thinking, what happens if we kind of meld those two genres together and the result would be Code Vein. So you've got this uber challenging RPG experience wrapped up in more of a, I would say, anime style. And I think the magic kind of tells itself. I mean, everybody's enjoying the game here at E3, so that's what we're doing. Absolutely.
Talk to us a little bit about the characters that we're playing as in Code Vein. They look really, I've never seen them before, obviously new IP, so talk a little bit about who they are.
Yeah, so one of the things that we wanted to do with Code Vein, obviously, is to create a brand new world, and with a brand new world comes brand new characters. One of the things that I would be able to say is these characters are going to be very endearing to the players. We actually want people to be emotionally invested in their adventure, obviously. I don't want to give away too much because it's an RPG and it's always about discovering, and part of that is the story about the characters. So we'd love to invite people to play at E3, obviously, and then when the game launches, definitely pick up a copy and discover that story.
Now, you mentioned Dark Souls. Obviously, that game has a huge audience and a huge following. Is Code Vein meant for that audience, or somewhere in between, maybe a different type of audience?
You know, it's amazing. Like, we have people that totally love Dark Souls, and they're like, oh my God, Code Vein's my next big game in that genre. Now, there are other people that feel like the graphics or the style within Dark Souls is a little bit harsh for them. That's where Code Vein really steps in and brings those people into that similar gameplay, but wraps it in a different environment and a more palatable style for them. So that's what we're hoping for.
And what's the reaction been like so far? People are getting their hands on it, they're playing it, the lines are long. What are they saying when they put the controller down?
I think at the end of the day, what we've been seeing with our players today at E3 is everybody's walking away with either a smile or they're wiping sweat from their brow, because obviously it's a challenging game and they're having a great time. And that's all we can ask, really, because at the end of the day, they're not getting a ton of time, and it's such a deep world, so hopefully we're giving them a good taste, and they're going to come back for more.
So this project is unique. How has Unreal Engine helped you guys bring it to life?
Well, Unreal obviously is a very diverse and powerful engine. We've used it in Tekken 7, we've used it in Soul Calibur 6, and now it offers us the ability to build an RPG and a very deep RPG experience with that engine. Now, obviously, with RPGs, deeper story, you've got quests, different types of character movement and whatnot. Unreal lets us do that.
Fantastic. All right, so where's the game at in development, and when can we get our hands on it?
So we're pretty far in development right now. We'll be announcing a ship date very soon, but it's definitely going to be in 2018, and we're hoping everybody's going to be looking forward to it.
Well, I know I'm looking forward to it. Appreciate your time as always. For the very latest on all things Unreal Engine, head online to unrealengine.com.